Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing something different for me. We are reviewing these. These are Reyna Rose real nail polish strips. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I normally don't do my nails. So today we are going to, I even grew out my nails just to do this, and I normally keep them short just because they kind of annoy me. So what these are is they're actual nail polish. If you're familiar with Color Street and Jubilee, something like that. Anyways, this is very similar to that, and I am going to go ahead and try it because yes, that's what we're here for. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box, and it comes with these alcohol pads and instructions. So let's see here. Okay, so it says you remove clear cover. Okay, let me open this so I can see what I figure it out here. Okay, so it comes with a nail file too. So it's telling you to break off one of these, and then I'm not really sure. Remove the clear cover, which would be the top part. Peel polish strip. Okay, and then you break off the tab and apply to nail. And then you file the extra off. So let's go ahead and clean my nails with one of these. Okay, so for my thumbnail, I think I want one of these flower ones. So let me see if I can find the perfect size for that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. And it says to peel everything off, and that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this clear one here off. And then it says to pull this back part off. And then we pull that off. So now it looks just like this. And that part we are putting on the thumb. There it is on my thumb. That was easy enough. Now it says to take the file right here and then kind of, there you go, file it down like that. So I'm going to do that and we'll see what it looks like. There we go. That was really simple. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest on this hand, and I will be right back. So I went ahead and did all of them because it was super quick. What do you guys think? I know it's unusual for me to have my nails done, but I think it looks pretty. Again, and not something I normally do, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's pretty? Anyways, if you are interested in trying these out yourself, I do have the link below, so go ahead and check them out. If you like this video, please do not forget to like. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.